Da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. 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 Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Let's go to the city, come with me. There are many places we can see. Walk around, look left, look right. Learn the words and say them right. This is the school, I go and learn. This is the park, I take my turn. This is the shop, I buy some food. This is the bank, it's in my neighborhood. Go, go, go to the city today. So many places on our way. Say the words, nice and clear. Places in English, let's learn here, here. This is the hospital, people get care. This is the cafe, I love it there. This is the library, books to read. This is the station, trains have speed. Go, go, go to the city today. So many places on our way. Say the words, nice and clear. Places in English, let's learn here. Turn left, turn right, go straight, that's right. The school is near, the park is far. We can walk or take the car. Now you know the places in town. From school to shop, from up to down. Let's sing again, you and me.